Okay, finding the area of a trapezoid using 4.3 practice A. Well, let's start here with number 3. All right, number 3. So the area equation for a trapezoid is 1/2 of its height times b1 plus b2. B1 and B2 are the two bases. They're parallel to each other. So it would be 6 and 5 would be the two bases. 5 and 11 are the two bases in that one. 2 and 6 are the two bases in this one. And here, yeah, so the top and the bottom again. We'll get to these in just a minute. Obviously, that's a triangle. But here we go, 10 and 12. Those are the bases for there. So here we go. Yeah. Area is equal to 1/2 times the height. I'm going to find the bases first, which are 6 inches plus 12 inches. Now the height is the distance between those two bases, which in this case is 5. And the height has to make a right angle with the base. That's true for any shape. That's true for rectangles, parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. If you need your base and height to make a right angle with each other. Okay, so that's going to be 5. Okay. So now here we go. Let's crunch some numbers here. 1/2 times 5. 6 inches plus 12 inches is 18 inches. And shame on me, I forgot to put little inches right there. So it's 5 inches. That's the height. Okay, so area is equal to 1/2 of 5 times 18. Okay, so 18 times 5. Well, that's 45. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 90. Okay, so the area is equal to 90, and inches times inches is inches to the second power. And half of 90 is 45. So the area is 45 square inches. That's problem 3. I'm sorry, 3 from that homework assignment. Now I'm going to go back and do problem 1. Problem 1 says base 1 is equal to 10, base 2 is equal to 7, and the height is equal to 4. You don't even have to draw that thing. You can just plunge it right into the equation. 1/2 times the height times b1 plus b2. You know, because they give you the numbers. Again, the height is equal to 4. So 1/2 times 4, and b1 is 10, and b2 is 7. Okay. And we work through it just like the previous one. 10 plus 7 is 17. Do they have units on here? They don't. 17 times 4, that's 28. 4, 5, 6. So the area is equal to 1/2 of 68. So the area is equal to 34 square units. And that's how that goes. Last one I want to do is down here, number 6. Okay. Again, the area equation is 1/2 times the height times b1 plus b2. And what I want to show you is that where students get really confused is base and height, or the two bases rather, excuse me. Going from one corner to the other, that's 2 jumps. So area is equal to 1/2. Again, I'll fill in the height in just a second. B1 is 2, right? And then again, going from this corner to that corner, that's 1, 2, 3 jumps. And students get confused because they don't know what to do with these partial squares right here and right here. And that's why I say don't even worry about that. Just count how many jumps it is from one corner to the other. So the first one was 2, second one was 3, and now the height is the distance between those two. 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. Okay, so the area is equal, area is equal to 1/2 times 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, half of 20 is 10, so your area is 10 square units.